Hello, my name is Tara Garlington and I'm the Ouachita 4-H agent with the LSU Ag Center. Today, we will cover the basics of recycling and learn about types of plastics. Recycling 101. This information is from Roxy's Toolbox, an affiliate of Keep Louisiana Beautiful and Keep America Beautiful. So, what is recycling? Recycling takes waste objects, breaks them down into separate raw materials, and then uses the material to create new objects. The 3 R's of recycling: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Number 1, reduce means to reduce what is produced and what is consumed. The idea is that if there is less waste, there will be less to reuse or recycle. Number 2, reuse. Reusing items you already have helps you to avoid the cost of energy and other resources required for recycling. And 3, recycle, in simple terms, gives used items new life. Recycling is about making new things out of old material. What can be recycled? Believe it or not, many everyday objects can be recycled, so stay on the lookout for the symbol. Aluminum, glass, paper, plastic bags and containers, steel, automotive parts, electronics, yard debris, food scraps, and more. Now let's talk about plastics. Tips: know your numbers. Almost all plastic containers have numbers in or around the recycling triangle. A container with the number 1 or 2 in the middle are the easiest to recycle and should be accepted by almost every recycler. Plastics are categorized from number 1 all the way to number 7. Today, I'm going to cover number 1 and number 2 plastics. Number 1 plastics, PET or P, polyethylene terephthalate, is commonly used for soft drink and water bottles, honey containers, and peanut butter containers. It's the most widely recycled plastic. Number 2 plastics, HDPE, high density polyethylene, identifies milk and water jugs, bleach bottles, detergent, and coffee containers. HDPE is slightly waxy and a semi-rigid plastic. I have a couple of fun examples of reusing with number 1 and number 2 plastics. The water bottle has been reused to create a penguin decoration, while the water jug, a number 2 plastic, has been transformed into this light-up snowman. If you'd like more information on recycling, please visit the following websites: Ouachita Green at ouachitagreen.org, Keep Louisiana Beautiful at keeplouisianabeautiful.org, and Keep America Beautiful at kab.org. Hopefully the information provided will help you jumpstart your family into recycling. Thank you for joining me.